What's up, y'all? QFC here, and I am here with my Casablanca Delta 2 from 1996. I genuinely forgot the exact date, but I know the exact year because it's pretty easy. I cleaned this fan a lot. As you can see, it was a lot of dust. Now the blades are like glistening, and I put a different light kit on it. These light kits are temporary until I get an exact Casablanca light kit. And sorry I haven't been making videos lately. I've just been stressed out. So I'm gonna demonstrate the light kit first. Those are LED light bulbs. I don't really use this light kit much because, you know, I have these LEDs in the lamp. So let's start with low. I got this fan from Andrew, and this fan used to be on like a 25-foot high ceiling. I actually think the older owners were smokers too. Not Andrew, of course, but the people before Andrew that had this fan, because it's yellowed out a little bit. Let's go to medium. I often use this fan on high 24/7. As you can see, the flywheel is pretty crooked. But yeah, there's really no other problems with it. It blows a lot of air, actually. Okay, we're not gonna go that close. But damn, okay. So we're gonna move up to high speed. We're gonna move to high speed now. I like this light kit better than the spotlight kit because, I don't know, it just looks better to me. But yeah, this and the box fan is on high speed all the time. I just love when the wind blows on me and everything. It just feels amazing. I mean, the box fan can get pretty loud, so it's kind of weird when I talk to people and I have to turn it off. Like, but I'm like so used to having it on, and it's like when somebody wants to talk to me, it just feels weird. But yeah, it's a pretty fast fan. I don't know the RPMs or CFMs yet, but I will find out as soon as I can, and I'll be sure to put it in the description. All right, let's turn it off. All right, thank you all for watching.